Okay.
1, 2, there's 4 of these.
You're oiling all your good bearings.
You see, originally, this would actually hold oil. You fill it, there'd be a bunch of oil in it, but the seal's gone. It kind of leaks out, so you just shoot it a few times. Make sure it's really good.
When you oil this here, just give it a squirt or two, that's all. And as far as the little caps, don't worry about them.
Okay, all right.
They're leaking right now, so we're good.
Yeah, I know they are.
Is it still 75 horsepower?
80.
80?
85 horsepower.
85.
No, you're right, it's 75.
Well,
I got to move it.
but it does, but we just run it at idle.
Okay.
We don't run it at the working RPM that the engine had.
No, the working RPM is only 300.
300, just
Yeah.
off the wall.
Do I have time to walk to my truck and back?
Yeah, we're not going to do this for like a half hour.
Oh, a half hour, okay.
Yeah, 11.
So this is like the pre-show.
Yeah, we got to wait for the tour to get here.
Oh, good, because I got to go get a battery because I'm down to 19%.
This engine is probably 100 years old right now. It's
Wow.
probably 100 years old now.
It's amazing.
It's amazing, it really
Well,
is.
this engine, yeah, it's 18, I'm sorry,
So does it have,
1929.
is it regular diesel fuel that's in it?
We're running the regular diesel fuel, but the original, this is not the original engine.
Right, I read the story,
Right.
yeah.
But
But it's just like it.
It's identical to it in every way.
Right.
It's just 4 years newer.
Oh, okay.
So she's only 95 years old then.
They used to, well, not this one, but the one that was here before, it ran on crude oil.
Oh, okay.
Ran on crude
Yeah,
oil.
ran on crude oil.
I'll be darned.
Well, number 2 diesel probably wasn't easy to get back in.
Right, right.
Well, in the middle of the swamp, you think?
Well, no, yeah. But
So what's the purpose, what's the air do then?
That's what starts it.
That's how you start it?
Start it.
Okay, now I'm getting it.
Yeah, we don't use these tanks anymore, or the compressor here anymore. We have.
Oh, you got your own
It would take all
airline?
day to run this one, it would take all day.
That's all
We have a
show.
compressor outside.
Okay,
Wow.
so this here crank though would have started up this compressor, right?
You would have started that thing there, and it would have ran for about an hour to fill them tanks up. And then you would,
Give it enough oomph to make it turn over.
and hopefully it starts on the first shot.
And that does run, that still works.
Oh,
it
oh,
runs.
I imagine.
We had to use it once,
Really?
a couple times actually, when our other one had trouble.
That's amazing.
It really is. Fairbanks-Morse stationary diesel engine.
They're still in business.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they make engines for ships.
Surprised anything that lasts that long stays in business.
Yeah, the company's still in business.